Unit 8 test, Personal Financial Literacy. Number 1. Mr. Wilkins deposited $2,500 in a new account at his bank. The bank pays 6.5% interest compounded annually on this account. Which amount is closest to the balance of the account at the end of 2 years? Compound interest, account balance equals principal, parentheses 1 plus rate, parentheses to the power of time. Number 2. Tamara invested $15,000 in an account that pays 4% annual simple interest. Tamara will not make any more deposits or withdrawals. How much interest will Tamara earn on her investment at the end of 3 years? Simple interest formula. Number 3. Garrison deposited $500 in an account that earns 3% interest compounded annually. How much interest will be in the account after 6 years? Compound interest. Number 4. Clarissa needs $2,500 loan in order to buy a car. Which loan option would allow her to pay the least amount of interest? A. An 18-month loan with 4.75% annual simple interest rate. B. A 30-month loan with 4% annual simple interest rate. C. A 24-month loan with 4.25% annual simple interest rate. Or D. A 36-month loan with 4.5% annual simple interest rate, which would allow her to pay the least amount. Number 5. An employee put $5,000 in an account that offers 9% interest compounded annually. The employee makes no more deposits or withdrawals. Which amount is closest to the interest earned at the end of 5 years? Compound interest. Number 6. Nicholas has money to deposit into 2 different savings accounts. He will deposit $400 into account 1, which earns 3.5 annual simple interest. Simple interest formula. He will deposit $250 into account 2, which earns 3 1/4% compounded annually. Which amount is closest to the total balance of these 2 accounts after 2 years? Number 7. The total cost of attending a state university is $19,700 for the first year. A student's grandparents will pay half of that cost. An athletic scholarship will pay another $5,000. Which amount is closest to the minimum that the student will need to save every month in order to pay off the remaining cost at the end of the 12 months? Number 8. Tuition for 1 year at a university is about $13,000. Devin would like to attend this university in 4 years. His parents will give him $5,200 for college. Which plan shows the minimum amount of money Devin must save each month? Number 9. David invests $10,000 in a savings account that pays 3.5% simple interest. If David makes no withdrawals or deposits to the account, how much will be in the account after 7 years? Simple interest formula. Number 10. Molly is taking out a loan in the amount of $10,000. She has 2 choices between loans. a 4-year loan at 4% simple interest, or a 6-year loan at 5% simple interest? What is the difference in the amount of interest Holly would have to pay for each of these two loans?